Welcome to Bike Future, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the two-wheeled world. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that continues to push the boundaries of comfort, style, and power for urban and open-road riders alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned motorcyclist, the Vulcan S has always offered a unique mix of approachability and attitude, and the 2025 model takes that formula to the next level. Evolution of the Vulcan legacy. The Kawasaki Vulcan S has long stood apart from traditional cruisers. Since its inception, it has brought a sporty edge to the classic low-slung design. Built on Kawasaki's unique cruiser DNA but sharing tech with the Ninja series, the Vulcan S isn't your average laid-back ride. The 2025 edition honors that legacy while introducing thoughtful enhancements in both performance and aesthetics. Design and aesthetics, modern cruiser with urban style. The 2025 Vulcan S continues to be one of the most modern-looking cruisers in the midsize class. For this year, Kawasaki introduces new color schemes including metallic matte carbon gray and pearl white with lime green accents, a signature Kawasaki touch that nods to its sport bike lineage. The minimalist rear fender, aggressive tank lines, and distinctive offset rear shock all return, giving the Vulcan S a look that's muscular yet refined. LED lighting is now standard across all lights, including a redesigned headlamp that enhances visibility while giving the bike a more premium look. Engine and performance, a Ninja heart in a cruiser frame. At the core of the 2025 Vulcan S is the proven 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the Kawasaki Ninja 650. This engine has been fine-tuned to deliver smooth, linear power that's perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. With updated fuel mapping and revised exhaust tuning, the 2025 model offers a slightly crisper throttle response and improved fuel efficiency over its predecessor. The power delivery is responsive yet forgiving, ideal for riders transitioning from smaller bikes to mid-size cruisers. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and refined, while the assist and slipper clutch reduces lever effort and makes downshift smoother, especially helpful during spirited riding or emergency braking. Ergonomics, the Ergo-Fit advantage. Kawasaki continues to win praise for its Ergo-Fit system, which is a standout feature of the Vulcan S lineup. The 2025 model allows riders of all sizes to tailor their ergonomics with adjustable foot peg positions, handlebar reach, and seat height options. Whether you're 5 feet 2 inches or 6 feet 4 inches, the Vulcan S can be customized to feel like it was built just for you. This year, Kawasaki has slightly reshaped the seat for improved lower back support and added extra padding for longer rides. Combined with forward-set foot controls and upright bars, the seating position is relaxed and confidence-inspiring. Suspension and ride quality, comfort meets control. Riding the 2025 Vulcan S is a balanced experience. It features a 41mm telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock with adjustable preload, allowing you to fine-tune your ride based on load or preference. While the suspension setup leans toward comfort, it offers just enough feedback to keep things engaging in the corners. Urban bumps and highway stretches are handled with ease, making this cruiser a legitimate daily rider. The low 705mm seat height also ensures flat foot stability for newer riders and ease of control at low speeds. Braking and safety, confident and composed. Stopping power is provided by a 300mm front disc and 250mm rear disc, both supported by a refined ABS system that's now more responsive in varying conditions. The 2025 ABS has been slightly upgraded for better modulation and quicker response in rain or loose surfaces. Kawasaki has also added a traction assist feature, which gently intervenes during wheel slip, a subtle but welcome addition, especially for those new to mid-range torque. Technology and features, subtle yet smart. While the Vulcan S isn't overloaded with flashy tech, Kawasaki has smartly added just enough to keep things functional and rider-friendly. The LCD dash is updated with better contrast for daylight visibility and now includes a gear position indicator, average fuel economy tracker, and Bluetooth connectivity for app-based trip data and service reminders. There's also a USB-C charging port integrated into the dash area, perfect for navigation devices or smartphone charging during long rides. Who should buy the 2025 Vulcan S? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S remains one of the most versatile cruisers on the market. It's perfect for newer riders seeking confidence and comfort in a mid-size bike, commuters who want reliability with a touch of style, sport bike converts looking for a relaxed, upright ride without losing edge, customizers, thanks to its modular design and Kawasaki's official accessory range. Whether you're riding solo through city streets or planning long weekend trips, the Vulcan S is equally comfortable in both roles. Price and value, accessible quality. Kawasaki has kept the Vulcan S competitively priced for 2025, with the base model starting at around $8,199. For the SE trim with premium paint, a backrest, and extra accessories, you're looking at roughly $8,999. Given the level of refinement, adjustability, and ninja-derived performance, the Vulcan S delivers excellent value. Final verdict: the everyday cruiser, perfected. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S continues to be a class-defining cruiser for riders who want the best of both worlds, cruiser comfort and sport bike spirit. With smart updates to design, comfort, and tech, this year's model stays true to what made the Vulcan special, while refining it for a new generation of riders. If you're in the market for a mid-sized cruiser that stands out without trying too hard, the 2025 Vulcan S should be on your shortlist. Outro: subscribe for more from Bike Future. Thanks for watching this detailed breakdown of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S here on Bike Future. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest motorcycles hitting the streets. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Vulcan S, or what bike you want us to cover next. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.